So I just wanted to drop by and remind you that this term we have some amazing events coming up. And one of those is all about staff and teacher wellbeing. We know that teacher wellbeing is an issue at the moment that needs addressing in our schools, and we know that as leaders, we are doing the best we can. But we're not always equipped with the right tools or strategies to know how to navigate such a complex issue. So what I want to be able to share with you in this one-day PL event is that you don't have to do this alone. In fact, supporting your staff and teachers through wellbeing is not about ticking things off a checklist or implementing a program. We have to understand that wellbeing looks different for everyone. It looks different for individuals, and it looks different for collectives in our school. This means we have to know how our people operate, and we have to know how our teams operate. How do we as leaders support the well-being of everyone in our school so they can thrive both in and out of the classroom? This is what I'm going to help you understand in our one-day event. I'm going to leave you with a framework that's going to help you better understand, have language around, and also be able to use in your school to develop a shared and consistent understanding and approach for what well-being can look like when it comes to improving and helping your staff and teachers thrive. I'm going to show you how self-care fits into well-being, but it isn't the only thing we need to focus on. And I'm going to show you how, as a leader, you can make decisions regarding the well-being of your staff just as we do for our students. So if well-being has been on the mind of you, your leadership team, your teachers, and your wider school community, then I encourage you to come along to this event. Come along and find out how, as a leader, you can better improve, prioritise, and understand what wellbeing looks like for the staff and teachers in your school. Because what we know is that if we don't look after our teachers, then they're not best able to look after their students. And this is why teacher wellbeing needs to become a priority in every school. I look forward to seeing you there on the day. Find the event information somewhere around this post, and as always, if you need anything, please reach out.